So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Guys, you can also subscribe to the YouTube membership, right? You can subscribe to our YouTube membership program so that you can get to trade exclusively with us. You can also tend to go live with us, and you can also get to get some trade idea and some trade setup. All this will be shared in the membership program. So make sure you subscribe so in order for you to get those updates. Now back to our analysis on our GBPUSD. Remember these 2 rules of trading. First rule of trading, you need to know your trend. Second rule of trading, you need to trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at this, your GBPUSD, which is on your daily time frame, you will see that we are in a ranging market move. It is very clear that what market is ranging. Market was able to rally up to tap our resistance. When it got to the resistance, it rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. It dropped to the support, rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. It got to resistance, rejected and dropped to tap our support level. Market eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. It also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Then rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. Now it is now dropping. So what market is the market is pushing up one more time to come to retest this resistance level. So guys, we should be expecting GBPUSD to come back to retest this resistance level and then eventually drop. That is what we should be expecting. Now let's zoom it in right here, guys. This is your high and this is your higher low, right? The market did give us. Market was able to push up again to give us a new higher high. This is an higher low. So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to continue that movement to the outside. So it is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So a bullish move right here, guys, is what we should be expecting on our GBPUSD. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like and share, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.